GIBS Grooming Hitman is our texturizing and volumizing spray. It's definitely my favorite product in the whole line. I usually get all the volume and fullness in the hair, and the way I do that is I really spray it in there and saturate the hair, and then I use the blow dryer. It also acts as a drying aid. It can help blow dry the hair faster. And when you're blow drying it, you're not going to notice the volume until you get about 100% dry, and then you're really going to notice that volume. The key ingredients in Hitman are keratin, hops, and holy basil. I like to spray this on the back of my clients' necks when they get a lot of red and irritation, because the hops and the holy basil act as anti-inflammatory ingredients, and it'll really help cool down and lessen the redness. I don't do a hairstyle at all without using my Hitman texturizing spray. Hitman is a great base product for your cocktails. Like I said, I use it for every hairstyle. So I start with this, and then I'll usually blow dry and get that volume, and then add one of our stylers to it, and then finish it off with our brawler styling spray. You don't have to blow dry it if you want. If you want to get that surfer beach wave, you could spray it in, let it dry, and tussle it to get those beach waves. Also, the kids are coming in and getting that kind of like llama, broccoli hairstyle, whatever they call it where you're from. This is great for that, because you could spray it in, just kind of zhuzh it, let it dry naturally, and then if they really mess with it, it's going to get all that volume in the front that these kids are looking for. It's like a sea salt spray, but there's no salt in there, because salt actually dries things and pulls the moisture out of, and it can damage your hair. With the keratin in the Hitman, it actually makes your hair healthier, makes your scalp stronger, and makes your skin less irritated.